In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change user account name in Windows 11. Fix today? Here, let's begin. Start by clicking the Start button, then open Settings and go to Accounts, then select your info. Scroll down to the Related Settings section and click Accounts. This will open your web browser and take you to your Microsoft account page. Once the page loads, sign into your Microsoft account if prompted. Enter your login details if needed, then click on your info at the top of the page. From there, click Edit Name. Now enter your new first name and last name, complete the CAPTCHA verification, and click Save. After that, restart your computer. Once your system boots back up, you should see your updated name reflected on the Windows login screen. If you are using a local account instead of a Microsoft account, the steps are a bit different. Right-click the Start button and select Run. In the Run box, type NetPalWiz and press Enter. In the window that appears, select your user account from the list, then click Properties. In the full name field, type your new account name. Once done, click Apply, then OK. Restart your computer to apply the changes. After restarting, your updated name should now appear across your system. You can repeat the same process if you want to change the name of other user accounts on your Windows 11 device. And that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.